Developing up the thruway tonight in Oneida County, a massive church explosion have left 5 people hurt. Now, New York State Police say that first responders were called for a reported gas leak at a church in the Village of Boonville, about 35 miles north of Utica. The building exploded shortly after firefighters made their way inside. Police say among those hurt are the church pastor, the local fire chief, and 3 other firefighters. They are all said to be in critical but stable condition. The exact cause of the explosion is still under investigation.